In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your locally installed custom fonts in Adobe Acrobat Web. Before you begin working inside Adobe Acrobat Web, make sure the custom fonts you want to use are already installed on your computer's operating system. This part is important because Acrobat Web can only access fonts that are available locally on your device. If the font hasn't been installed yet, it won't appear in the list later when you try to edit your PDF. So take a moment to confirm that your preferred font is fully installed and ready to use. Once that's done, open Google Chrome and sign in to Adobe Acrobat Web. Using Chrome helps ensure compatibility and a smoother editing experience. After signing in, you'll be able to access your files and the editing tools you need directly in your browser. Next, open any PDF document in edit mode. This is the mode that allows you to interact with the text and make style changes. If your PDF contains editable text boxes, Acrobat Web will let you click into them and adjust the formatting. If a section of text is not editable, you may need to select a part of the document that has been recognized as editable text. Now click on any text box element in the PDF. As soon as you do that, the formatting options should appear. This toolbar is where you can control the appearance of your text, including things like font style, size, and other basic formatting settings. Selecting the text box first is what tells Acrobat which text you want to modify. From there, expand the main font selection drop-down menu. This will open the full list of available fonts that Acrobat Web can use for the selected text. Depending on your setup, you may see default fonts first, along with other font categories available in the editor. Then scroll down until you reach the section for local system fonts. This is where your newly installed custom fonts should appear. Once you find the font you want, simply select it to apply that typography to your text box. If you have several custom fonts installed, it may help to scroll carefully and look for the exact font name as it appears on your system. That's all it takes to use your own fonts in Adobe Acrobat Web. As a final tip, if a font doesn't appear right away, try refreshing Chrome or reopening the PDF after installation so the browser can recognize the updated font list.